Morning. Every day feels like a tiny reset button. I don't always wake up motivated, but I wake up grateful.
Say hello to the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41, the pair that turns every run into something.
Hi, I'm your Expressive avatar, and I'm generated using...
Hey guys, so you all know how you always ask me how I create this talking avatar? Yep, the one you're seeing right now. Look at it. Can you see how expressive, how natural, and how realistic it looks? If you want to generate avatars like this, make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm going to introduce you to a bombastic tool that lets you create expressive avatars with real emotions, gestures, body language, everything, based on your script. Like, literally, you can turn your own image into a live talking avatar. And that's not all. You can also create UGC-style product avatars just like you saw at the start, where your avatar can hold and present your products in a super realistic, eye-catching way. Plus, every user gets 60 free credits every single day, so you can experiment and create amazing videos without worrying about anything. Alright, enough talking. Let's get started. Check out the official website. The link is in the description box below.
Now, once you are on their official website, you will see this interface. All you need to do is simply sign up using your Google account, and you can literally start using their newly released Expressive avatar. So, let's try it out. Okay guys, so in this avatar section, you will see a lot of options like Expressive avatar, Photo avatar, Product video, Motion avatar. They have tons of categories, with different avatars in different styles. So for creating expressive avatars, go to the Expressive avatar section. Here, you will find 41,000 plus expressive avatars already available if you want to use ready-made ones. There are so many options. You can also filter the avatars, like choosing gender, I'll pick female, then age, ethnicity, aspect ratio, and more. You can either use already available avatars, generate new avatars with AI, or upload your own photo. Let's check out an already made avatar.
Hey legends, and welcome to the stream. Okay, I've got my coffee, I've mostly remembered what I'm supposed to be doing today, and
When you click on it, you can see the preview. See how expressive and good it looks? To start using it, click on Create Video with this avatar. Now you will see an interface like a timeline where you can literally do everything. You can edit, adjust, and customize everything. First, we will add our script over here. You can add your script like I did, then choose a voice from the options available. There are a lot of great voices here. First, filter the voices. I'll choose female, then you can choose the emotion of the voice, like advertising or normal. I'll select all. Then you can choose a scenario, such as ads, animation, announcing, audiobooks, and it will filter accordingly. You can even clone your own voice. I'll pick one from here. You can also find some 11 Labs voices, which I think is fantastic. See how many options there are? You can preview the voices, then click OK. You can also adjust speed, pitch, volume, and preview again.
Hi, I'm your Expressive avatar, and I'm generated using Vidnoz. I'm cool, right?
The best part? You can turn subtitles on or off, and your video will include them. You can also add more scenes and avatars in the same video, as well as text, shapes, backgrounds, stickers, video images, music. Basically, it's a full-fledged editor. Once I'm done editing, I'll simply save it. And here's the result, guys.
Hi, I'm your Expressive avatar, and I'm generated using Vidnoz. I'm cool, right? I know already.
Look how good and cool it is, and how expressive the avatar looks. This was using one of the already available avatars. Now, let's upload our own photo to create a custom avatar. I've uploaded my own photo here. Then name your avatar, select gender, and optionally remove the background. You can also customize it further, but I'll keep the background and click Next. The image opens in the timeline just like before. First, add your script, then select a voice and click OK. You can adjust settings, add text, shapes, stickers, backgrounds, anything you want. But I'm fine with it as is, so I'll generate it. And here's the result.
Morning. Every day feels like a tiny reset button. I don't always wake up motivated, but I wake up grateful, and that's enough. I sit with myself for a minute. No phone, no rush. Just breathing and reminding myself that life isn't a race. Some mornings are messy, some are peaceful, but I'm learning to show up for myself anyway. So here I am, starting slow, choosing calm, choosing me. Hope you're choosing yourself today, too.
Wow! Amazing! You can see how expressive the avatar is, how natural the gestures and facial expressions are, and how realistic everything looks. This is honestly my go-to tool for all the videos I make. I always use Vidnoz, and it never disappoints. Alright, now let's check out product avatars. Here, you'll find 1,000 plus ready-made product avatars. You can upload your own product image created with AI, or use the pre-made images. Let's try one of the pre-made avatars. Click on Add My Product, and you'll see the avatar with the product added. Now, I want to promote shoes, so I'll upload my own shoe image. It starts identifying the product, and then you can rotate and resize it to find the perfect position. I'll adjust it and click Merge with Product Avatar, and it will merge the product with the avatar. This is so cool. It gives you two results, one where the avatar is holding the shoes, and another where she's wearing them. You can choose either one, or create videos with both and combine them. I'll choose the first one and click Create a Talking Avatar. Just like before, add your script, select your voice, and click OK. You can filter voices for ads or other scenarios. Preview if you want, and then export the video. And here's the result.
Say hello to the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41, the pair that turns every run into something effortless. These shoes are all about comfort, energy, and that perfect everyday reliability. With responsive Zoom Air cushioning, every step feels lighter and more supported. The breathable mesh keeps your feet cool, whether you're running, training, or just moving through the day. If you want comfort that lasts and performance you can trust, the Pegasus 41 is made for you. Run smarter. Run easier. Run in Pegasus.
Absolutely amazing! I mean, AI is advancing so much that we don't even need models for product shoots anymore. With Vidnoz product avatars, you can create professional product videos in no time. The best part? If you sign up using my link, you'll get 60 free credits every day to experiment and create videos like this. So guys, that's a complete walkthrough of Vidnoz AI Avatars. From expressive avatars to product avatars. Honestly, it's my go-to tool for everyday videos because it's super easy, powerful, and makes everything look so natural and professional. If you want to try it out yourself, go to the official website. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget, you get 60 free credits daily, so you can start creating right away. I hope you found this helpful, and now it's your turn to make your own amazing avatars. Trust me, once you try Vidnoz, you'll never look back. Go ahead, have fun, and create some epic videos.